Assalamu alaikum, it's Fahad Hussain. Thank you for joining us. Today we are not just looking at a software interface, we are examining a catalyst for operational excellence. I'm proud to introduce you the accounting software which we have built, an enterprise-grade accounting and financial management system meticulously engineered to bring absolute clarity, compliance, and control to complex multi-tied organizations. So let's begin at financial core of the system, the accounting module. By clicking the menu button, we are at the navigation bar. As you can see it here, this is where we move beyond basic bookkeeping into strategic financial governance. Notice the clean, intuitive architecture of the interface designed specially to reduce cognitive load on your finance team. For here, you execute complex vouchers management, drill down into a highly granular ledgers, subledgers, and auto bank reconciliation. This ERP, your financial data is not only perfectly synced but maintains an audit-ready postures at all time. For organization managing extensive portfolios, such as the large-scale infrastructure and hydropower initiative, as we can see here, all the projects are listed here. Uh, project seg and project and segment module is a true differentiator. Accounting Find ARP is natively built to handle multi-project, multi-location, multi-clients, multi-donors. So the project dashboards, you maintain real-time visibility over active life cycle and operational health by intelligently linking these projects directly to specific donors, locations, and clients. The system guarantees unparalleled transparency in fund utilization and making stakeholder reporting both effortlessly and highly accurate. Then let's move toward the HR and payroll section, where the employee is having 360 uh, degree view of your workspace. From his name. Let's have a look. Let's have a proper look at it. First of all, in the first section, we have the personal detail of the employee, then his employment detail, designation, department, joining date, employee type, category, and the projects we have listed here. The status. Then we have his banking details, qualification, salary detail. For example, if he is unable to pay or to have UBI, Social Security, or ESA, gratuity. So from here you can simply click on enable button, type his registration number, and simply go to the next step. Then we have the accounting uh, GL mapping, the general ledger mapping. When, for example, in further, you will see a payroll generation. So from here, it will uh, directly deduct or pay the salary to this account by selecting his chart of account. Then we have next of kin detail, and that's then we by clicking create employee, so he will be or he or she will be added here. Well, If you want to see the employee profile, as just I said before, the 360 view of the employee. So here you can see the salary history, social charges history, loan advances if he taken, attendance summary, and the documents. For example, CNIC, we can upload different type of the documents related to the employee. Like suppose CNIC apartment letter, employment contract letter, passport, driving license, education certificate, experience letter, and much more. Okay, so then we have a project assignment. It's basically used when one employee is working on multiple projects. So we simply select employee and then specifically select a project in which he is working, his role, his salary, and if you want a percentage, we allocate him by percentage, if fixed amount or attendance based, and then we create assignment. So when we mark an attendance, so here we are selecting the project also. Like suppose Asad Ali Khan is enrolled in more than 6 to 7 projects, I think 5 to 6, 7 projects. So we can select different type of project. For example, if the Haruddin is not still selected, or so there is no sorry no Iftikhar, let's see the false. So that's what it is. Okay, moving forward, like suppose if we see Ibrahim, so he is just uh, he is only appointed in 2 projects, so here we can see he is only it's seen only 2 projects. Then we have loan advances, tax slab, the income tax mm, rate on which it did get deducted. This is the payroll engine. From here we create salary voucher, then select for example project, let's select DASU, or for example let's select ages, that's more simple. Then load preview. This is what we see that Asad Ali Khan has worked 100% in May. That's in the period of May. So total salary is it's 264,988, and the tax deducted, and the social charges on his salary by clicking the generate salary voucher. So we see it will generate a salary voucher. And now, for example, why it's not generating a salary voucher? Uh, we already had created a payroll in a salary for my, so that's fine. Okay, then it's account mapping. Let's move forward to final settlement. For example, if an employee is leaving or anything else, or termination or retirement, or death or resignation, so the type is ID, and there we can do final settlement. Then here we will get a payroll slip and letters, payroll reports. That's all the reports that we will need for payroll. Then the financial reports, as I said that the chart of account, the ledgers. Then we need a trial balance, we need a financial reports, trial balance, balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow. This will that we will be getting here by selecting different project, or by selecting location, or fiscal year, or for example client, donor, etc. Here we can have a multi-column, for example selecting by different projects, and have a, one single balance sheet for it, or we need a cash flow. So we will get for a single project, or we if you want a multi-project, so we can get a multi-project. Then moving forward to The FIC asset. Okay, so the FIC asset, we can add all the assets we are having in our project or our business. This is how we can add uh, asset information, the basic information, the asset specification, a procurement and reference detail, a depreciation setup, location, custodian, donor fund. If it is a donor funded, so we will provide a donor name and then grant a reference, donor code, etc. Okay, so this is how when we select here the category, so it directly as auto select the account mapping for general ledgers. Okay, other than this, underpinning the entire architecture is a robust security framework found in a system module. We deploy Granular, as you can see in system module. Sorry, this. We have a user management, role permission, security center, and role-based access, audit trail, import and export. Okay, suppose I want to create a new employee, so from here I will type his name, email, and then his phone number, and then password. That new user will be created, and I can give him a role, a branch, department, and then in security we can say that force password change when he will do his first login, so he will ask or he or she will ask to change a password. So that is how we can add a new user. If we see the audit trail, so here we can audit or supervise all the actions happening or will be using by the employees. So there here we will get all the uh, supervision of the software by entity or by action or by modules or everything we can see it here. And we have a security center where we can see from which laptop or computer we are getting connected device on a location, etc. Thank you very much. It was uh, uh, just an overview of our accounting. ERP is not merely a tool for tracking past performance, it is a scalable platform designed to drive future growth, ensure strict governance, and unify your operational and financial intelligence. Thank you for your time and attention. I will now like to open the floor to any specific question or to facilitate a deeper dive into any of the modules we have covered today. So you guys can comment me and I will be stay connected, or you would simply write an email. I'll be there for you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.